afternoon. Yes, let's make some noise. We're in Los Angeles right now. Today, all systems are go. LA STEM Collective is celebrating 5 years of advancing STEM opportunities and making science accessible for thousands of marginalized and underserved students throughout the Los Angeles area.
LA STEM Collective is all of us.
A community that knows and embodies STEM is one that critically thinks and creatively thinks.
Because when you invest in LA STEM education for K through 12 students, you're not just preparing them for a career, you're giving them the confidence and vision to open doors to a brighter tomorrow.
I am truly excited to work alongside Jamaica Marshall as the Executive Director of LA STEM and really helping them work towards bringing the powerful vision of LA STEM to Los Angeles to life.
Let's spend the rest of this evening doing what we do best, connecting, linking, amplifying the support for the children and the families and the communities of Los Angeles.
Today was a real catalyst for what could happen over the next 5 years, next 25 years, and I'm just really excited for what's to come because of the conversations we started today.
Call to service with the courage to act. That's LA STEM.
Here's to 105 more years of the LA STEM Collective!